I'm gonna clean the keyboard today. You can see that it looks pretty stinky. So I'm gonna put a little bit of alcohol and start scrubbing the whole keyboard with alcohol. Yeah, just like that. And it's gonna clean up the keyboard. Hopefully. Yeah, we are cleaning the keyboard with that. Ooh, I am so good at cleaning. See all this gunk? Yeah, I'm removing it. So this is a good sign. Okay, I'm gonna need more paper. So get more paper. Put more alcohol. Oh, that's a little bit too much alcohol. We'll deal with that. For now, we'll just scrub very fast. Scrub the numpad, scrub the delete key, scrub the arrow keys, scrub the enter key, scrub the space bar. Just scrub everywhere that I can reach. Scrub very thoroughly. I don't know how you say this. And there we go. It's clean. Look how much, you know. Look at the dirtiness of the keyboard. We can't use that. Alright, so now we just somehow remove the paper that's inside the keyboard. You can easily... Yeah, it's pretty easy to do that. Just punch the keyboard like that. And boom. Good as... Hold on. Good as new. I am so good at cleaning keyboards, huh? Thanks for watching.